Hi, Emil here from Town & Country Trucks, Kent, Washington. Today I'd like to show you this 99 Ford F550. It's got a 12-foot flatbed with a Monroe snow and ice removal tank system. It's got 53,000 actual miles. It's a one-owner truck. It's a V10 Triton motor, automatic transmission with air. This Ford F550 with a 17,500 GVW chassis under it has got only 53,860 miles. It's got a heavy-duty truck interior, Ford vinyl, heavy-duty mats, AM/FM stereo, air conditioned, automatic transmission. So again, this Monroe de-icer spray unit, snow removal unit, has 4 different compartments for mixing chemicals. Also, you can do herbicides and other products out of this. Spray heads and valves all included. We're going to do a close-up of some of the different features on this truck, including some of the mechanical apparatus on the back and on the sides. It also has a 13 horsepower Honda motor. This is part of the vegetation system of this product. Hi, at this time I'd like to tell you a little bit about our financing programs. We not only have traditional bank loans, but we also do business lease-to-own programs with dollar buyouts. You can elect to do a traditional 10% buyout or a dollar buyout, whichever makes the most sense for your business. We also have finance company financing for trucks as well as trailers, and we can do credit card transactions, Visa, MasterCharge, Discover, and also American Express. Whatever makes the most sense for your financing needs, we can take care of it.